How to truly evaluate a Chinese supplier's credibility. I give you 5 items that you can use right now. First of all, always price. If a supplier gives you a market average price, which they can have a reasonable profit, normally speaking, it means okay. But if a supplier gives you a price that is too low, he cannot even earn a profit. I always tell my client, they will earn their profit elsewhere, maybe late shipment, maybe less weight, less quantity, maybe lower quality. This is one. The second one is honesty. So when you are communicating with the supplier, ask them all the questions. And if they are trying to mislead you, maybe, for example, they are actually a trading company, but they tell you, I'm a factory. So if they lie to you at the very beginning, I wonder if they will follow their commitments after they receive your payment. The third one is year of establishment. Normally speaking, if a supplier has operated for a long time, so normally speaking, it means they're more reliable. But if you are dealing with a brand new supplier, sometimes it means risk. As Chinese lawyers, this is actually what we can validate for our clients, because we can check the year of establishment of each company. And next one is their client record, right? If you export, this company may have custom records, can show that they are exporting, and maybe you can even find their previous clients' names, and you can check right on the internet and maybe contact their previous client to check the past story, right? If they deliver according to their agreement with the client or not. And finally, which is the most important one, is reasonable contract terms. I always tell my clients, so when you are placing an order, right, you need to pay a deposit to initiate the transaction. So you cannot avoid losing your deposit even though you have a perfect contract, unless the supplier, they can give you a bank guarantee. But for the balance, always request the supplier to allow you to do the inspection, check the weight, or even supervise the loading process before you pay the balance payment. So if a supplier can agree that they can accept you send your own team here for inspection, it means they are confident about their quality and everything. But if you say, I want to send my team here to do an inspection, the supplier says, no, you need to pay the balance first. This means, right, this is not a reliable supplier to deal with. As lawyers, one of our key job is assist our clients to arrange their transactions with the supplier and put them in writing as a formal contract. This is what we can do for you. This is Larry Zhou. I'm partner attorney from Landing Offices China. Landing is an international law firm based in China. Here we have more than 35 offices with more than 1,500 legal professionals. And if you have any China-related legal matters, please feel free to contact us.